Learning English can open up a world of opportunities, whether you want to travel, advance your career, or connect with people globally. The journey of mastering a new language can be both exciting and challenging, but with the right approach and resources, it becomes manageable and enjoyable. Let's dive deep into effective strategies, tools, and tips to help you on your path to fluency in English. First, it's essential to set clear goals. Think about why you want to learn English. Are you preparing for a job interview, planning to study abroad, or simply want to watch movies without subtitles? Your goals will shape your learning process. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals can keep you motivated. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to improve my English," you might say, "I want to be able to hold a 10-minute conversation with a native speaker in 3 months." Next, immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Surrounding yourself with English can dramatically enhance your learning. This doesn't mean you need to move to an English-speaking country. You can create an immersive environment at home. Start by changing the language on your phone, computer, or social media accounts to English. This simple switch will force you to familiarize yourself with everyday vocabulary and phrases. Listening to English music, podcasts, or radio stations can also be a great way to immerse yourself in the language. Choose genres you enjoy and pay attention to the lyrics or the conversations in podcasts. You might even consider following along with the lyrics as you listen. This practice helps improve your listening skills, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Don't shy away from repeating phrases or singing along. This active engagement can help solidify what you've learned. Another excellent resource is watching movies and television shows in English. Start with subtitles in your native language, then switch to English subtitles as you progress. Eventually, challenge yourself by watching without subtitles. This technique can enhance your listening skills and help you pick up colloquial expressions and slang, which are often not found in textbooks. Reading is equally crucial in your language learning journey. Begin with materials that match your current level. If you're a beginner, consider children's books or graded readers designed for language learners. As your confidence grows, transition to novels, newspapers, or online articles. Try to read a variety of genres to expose yourself to different vocabulary and writing styles. Keep a vocabulary journal where you write down new words and phrases along with their meanings. Review this journal regularly to reinforce your learning. Writing in English is another powerful tool for improving your skills. Start by keeping a daily journal where you write about your thoughts, experiences, or even summaries of things you've read. This practice helps you think in English and solidifies your understanding of grammar and sentence structure. Additionally, consider joining online forums or social media groups where you can interact with others in English. Engaging in conversations, asking questions, and providing feedback can enhance your writing skills and boost your confidence. Speaking is often the most daunting aspect of learning a new language, but it's also one of the most critical. To practice speaking, find a language partner or tutor. This could be a friend who is fluent in English or a fellow learner. Consider using language exchange platforms that connect you with native speakers who want to learn your language. Regular conversations will help you practice pronunciation, learn new vocabulary, and gain confidence in your speaking abilities. If possible, enroll in an English language class. This structured approach provides professional guidance and can be beneficial for those who thrive in a classroom setting. Instructors can offer valuable feedback on your speaking, writing, and comprehension skills. Additionally, being surrounded by other learners creates a supportive environment where you can practice together and motivate each other. Another effective way to improve your speaking skills is by using technology. Various apps focus on language learning and can be incredibly helpful. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone provide interactive lessons that make learning fun. Some apps also offer speaking practice with voice recognition technology that can help you improve your pronunciation. Don't forget about the power of repetition. Learning a language takes time, and revisiting material is crucial for retention. Use spaced repetition techniques to review vocabulary and phrases. There are many flashcard apps available that utilize this method, helping you memorize words effectively. Consistency is key, so try to dedicate time each day to practice English, even if it's just a few minutes. Engagement with English-speaking cultures can further enrich your learning experience. Explore English literature, music, and cinema to gain a deeper understanding of the culture. Understanding cultural references, idioms, and social norms can greatly enhance your conversational skills. Attend local events or cultural activities where English is spoken, if available. This immersion will not only improve your language skills but also make learning more enjoyable. Patience is crucial throughout this journey. Language learning is a gradual process, and it's normal to encounter challenges along the way. Don't be discouraged by mistakes, they are an essential part of learning. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. Keep in mind that fluency doesn't come overnight, it takes persistence and dedication. Finally, celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Recognizing your achievements can keep you motivated. Whether it's understanding a song without the lyrics, having a successful conversation, or finishing a book, each step is a milestone. Reward yourself for your hard work, and remember that every bit of practice brings you closer to your goal of fluency. In summary, learning English is a rewarding endeavor that requires a combination of dedication, practice, and the right resources. By setting clear goals, immersing yourself in the language, reading, writing, speaking, and engaging with the culture, you will make steady progress. Use technology to your advantage and don't hesitate to seek help from teachers or language partners. Be patient with yourself, embrace mistakes as learning opportunities, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals, and soon enough, you'll find yourself more confident in your English skills. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. So enjoy the process of learning and connecting with others through the beautiful language of English. Happy learning!